going to a girls' night. I'm gonna make lemon cookies and I'm gonna make a pizza dip. For the cookies, we're gonna start with 2 sticks of softened butter, 3 cups of flour, 1 cup of sugar, a teaspoon of baking powder, teaspoon of baking soda, splash of vanilla, pinch of salt, 1 egg, the juice of 2 lemons. Mix.
Now that shit right there is good. How about you redo that again? I won't take a little nip this time.
Oh, you want some?
Yeah, that thing is right. Good.
I know the
Old
sound.
Sprayer 9000 right there. Pressure wash the house with that bad boy.
You're full of it today, you know? I saw that. Into the oven at 350, 15 minutes. About 2 cups of confectioner sugar. I think this looks like 2 cups, but
I'm squeezing lemon.
I'm not really sure. Vanilla, the rest of the bottle. The juice of 2 lemons. Just a little whisk.
Full side of Joy Slobber and all the icing.
I do believe that. Let them cool for 15 minutes. Our lemon glaze. Look how pretty and yummy. Dip. And let her rest in the Tupperware I'm putting them in. We're gonna start on the pizza dip. I cut our bread into
Homemade bread.
little strips. I did
Homemade bread.
like this, so we could do a dip action. Put all of our bread we cut on a pan. I'm gonna spray the bread with a little more avocado oil and sprinkle with Italian seasoning so that it can be like a pizza doughy kind of flavor in the oven to toast at 350. I'm just gonna check on it in like 10 minutes and see if it's good. For the pizza dip filling, we're going in with half a tub of cream cheese. The rest of this thing of sour cream, it looks like about a tablespoon, but you probably could use more if you wanted. Some shredded parm, like a handful. Some Italian seasoning. Mix it together. It calls for mozzarella, but I don't have any, so I'm using a cheddar jack, just a handful. Take a pie dish. We're spraying. Put it in your pie dish. It's gonna look like this. Jarred sauce. Pour it just to cover the cheese. So I guess it's about half a jar. Cover with more cheese. Parm. Pepperonis. Put in the oven at 350 for about 30 minutes. Okay, the most important thing for girls' night is the drink. Aperol margaritas. Anybody? For the marg, I'm gonna start with half a lemon just because I have one in my fridge. I'm gonna go in with a little honey because we're almost done with it anyway. Let's measure by a brand new bottle. Half a bottle of key lime juice. Is that too much? It smells good. I have this much left of Simply Orange. That looks like too much. Okay, fine. Going off the taste here, I've never made this before. You like it? Okay. Bill approves.
Definitely.
He drank it, not even from the spoon, right out of the pitcher. Now for the alcohol.
House of Nikos, House of Friends.
All right, we're gonna go to the sticker with tequila here. Essentially, it's a margarita, but we're replacing triple sec with Aperol. And I'm nervous. To the sticker with Aperol, too.
Gonna need some more tequila after that, girl.
Babe, Aperol's alcohol. Okay. Okay. It's good. Now that we know it tastes good, we're gonna go in more with everything. I think so. Okay, we don't have any more OJ. So we're going in with the rest of our Simply Lemonade.
Yep.
It's raspberry lemonade. I think it'll keep with our citrus flavors, right?
Yes.
More key lime.
Madame.
Now we use half a key lime bottle. Raw, a splash. More. All right, that's good. Okay, use half a bottle of tequila.
Oh, imagine a cup of ice there. Imagine that.
Silly.
Oh, I understand. It makes sense.
You didn't know what I was
thought you were
doing?
gonna pour it in there to cool it down. Water it down a touch. I don't know.
No, I want to take it like this so we could pour it over ice. Yes.
That's not half. You better pour more in.
That's half, babe.
A little zip more.
Bill's really the bartender here.
Wait, but bus is a bad thing, though.
Yeah, but she actually means
You guys, I
it's like
heard
any
something
type of
about
attention.